Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Mahalaga kung saan ka nagtapos na eskwelahan. Ang mahalaga po, ang edukasyon na nasa natin. Mabuhay po kayo at sana po isipin po natin, iisa lamang po yung ating bansa, nag-iisa lamang po yung lahi natin. Tayo po ay lahat.
And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Thanks to
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. It's not the end of everything. friends with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
Richie Cuadra ang pangalan niya, mahal naming konsehal dito sa Valenzuela. Pagtulong sa kapwa, yan ang pakay niya. Paglilingkod sa bayan, siya'y tunay nga. Huwag kang malulungkot at huwag mahihiya. Kung may kailangan ka, sa kaniya'y lumapit ka. Maaasahan mo tulong mula sa puso. Mahal nating konsehal Richie Cuadra. Mahirap ka man o mayaman, pagtingin niya sa di pantay-pantay. Madaling lapitan, sadyain mo lamang konsehal Richie Cuadra sa lungsod ng Valenzuela. Tunay natin siyang kapamilya. Tayo na mga kapamilya, magmahalan tayo't magkaisa. Pagkakagalit, magkasunduran, sila-silang pamilya'y magpupunan. Igalang ang bawat isa, sa Diyos ay sumamba. Yan ang tanging pangarap, konsehal Richie Cuadra. Kapayapaan sa lungsod na Valenzuela.